wood piece. You guys remember?
Yeah.
We got rid of it finally.
It looks
Too much
fantastic.
Oh.
So when we got rid of it, we had two options. We had a larger tube, or bigger tube, and we have these other options, which was the smaller one. So the idea behind this is to actually being able to mount it onto a wall like this. So like it's not actually gonna be played like that. Even though it's cool.
Can you take it out of the mount?
This?
Yeah.
No, because like we're hiding all the circuits and the wires inside of the tube.
That'd be cool.
Like the front, you have the LED strip, and behind you have I think it's like a plastic load, and then you have a bunch of wires going through. It was really hard to put all together. Well, first of all, I had to design like the two ends of the tube to like put the buttons, and so I came up with the idea of like putting an aluminum cylinder together, each end. So we were trying to actually tap the two ends of the cylinders to being able to like screw the buttons in and out easily. But that was tedious, hard, and it didn't work. First of all, because the buttons have like a tapping, they're special. So like we looked up like what was like the tapping tool needed for this. We found a couple. Mr. L ordered them. Yeah, I think you guys saw like an aluminum like square that I was getting around with like a bunch of holes.
Yeah.
Yeah, none of them worked. It
So
was
the
going.
thread pitch and the thread diameter were not matching the standard thread
No.
pitches and standard
They were
thread
not
diameters.
matching.
They were close, and they were off. It was a very odd. There's some non-standard pitches and diameters that we found for this, but even that wasn't. I don't know. Somehow
This
like
is why
not
we
quite.
use the metric system.
Yeah.
Those what we used a metric or standard. What was that what we finally found? Was it metric or standard? And we thought was close.
I think that was standard.
It was standard.
I think it was standard as well.
Metric is better.
So then we decided to actually just glue them in place. So I use JB Weld. So they're not coming out.
That's a Michael solution.
Yeah.
No, Michael solution is Bondo.
So we started both buttons, and then we have like these long wires. We heat shrink them to actually protect them a little more. And then when it was time to actually work on the 3D printed piece, like I had nothing to like work from. I didn't know like where to start. Like at first I had an idea of like having a bunch of clamps, like a long clamp from the back of the tube. Because like the main idea or like the purpose of having it like this is so that you can't see the wires or the circuit, just the tube itself, and you can play it.
Yeah, it looks very clean.
Yeah.
It's a really clever way to do that.
So at first I had like 3 clamps, and so like the reason is so that it could be like sturdy when you pull and move it. So like since it's gonna be attached to a wall or mounted to a wall, and when you hit the buttons, there's like you see that it's wiggling. Like that's what we wanted to prevent. So far, I haven't gotten a chance to test it onto a wall, but I hope that I can soon to see like if it actually stays in place or like I have to like add another clamp on. Like another idea we had was Mr. Christie's like drilling a hole in the back, making a piece that like attaches to the wall and then like screwing it in the back of the tube on the 2 ends. So that might actually end up happening. I'm not sure for sure yet. Then I have to work on the 3D printed piece that you see here. At first, it was not looking like this. The first piece I had, let's say that I forgot about the power supply like entry, so like I had no way to like actually power this thing up, and so I had to come up with a drawing inside, like actually figure out where to cut the hole, the diameter, like dimensions, and so the idea behind this is I have all the circuits in the back that are going through a hole that you can't really see.
Do you want to turn a light on?
Okay.
Do you want to turn a light on so
Sure.
you can see it?
Hold on. I like to screw this thing, but like here, there is the circuit board Sean worked on
Oh, yeah. Really was just trying to make it small enough to fit in Oscar's design and find the right angle to put where he was going to put the power supply entry. Other than that, once I got the right size, I only messed up the first time because the pin, I think, right here didn't work because they were too close together and it was like crushing the other pins when it plugged in. So I just spaced them out, and the second time it was like worked like a charm.
And so like the first time we put the circuit board inside, it was too large. Like it was longer
It
than
was too
expected,
long.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so like I had to make some more space inside of it using the fillet tool, so like fillet tool. And then I copied the design Sean like made on his Eagle, and I put it in the CAD design to actually see how well it would fit. And I put like the screws in the holes. Then I had to like 3D print it again, and this time it actually worked. And then that's why like I made the holes. And then we're putting this thing together. It was not as easy as I thought at first. Well, first we have to like have enough space to fit the LED strip, the plastic rod that should be like in the middle to hold the LEDs straight,
Plastic tube.
which it doesn't really look straight if you like are careful, like put this thing carefully. It's not straight yet. And then behind there we have power, ground, and I think is otherwise going like through like these end of the tube, if I remember correctly.
Line wires and
Right.
the LED power.
The LED power and the buttons. So like this side has a lot of wires compared to that one, which only has the buttons. So at first, like the plan was just to get the LED strip attached onto like the plastic rod, slide it in with the wires going through this back of the 3D printed piece. And that did not work well because the wires were too thick. So I had to crimp some of the wires, and like they wouldn't fit because of that. The head was like too big, so I had to like cut them again, like get them all through the holes, re-crimp them, and then when I was ready to test it and see if like it was gonna work or not, we were like really excited to list it out. We turned everything on, like we checked that the wires were like correctly placed and everything, and it didn't turn on because the end of the LED had like a short circuit. Like we were bending it so many times. Yeah, it snapped at the end. And, like it took us a while to figure that out. Once we figured it out, like we cut that LED out, we resoldered that piece, and I actually hot glued, and then I put the JB weld on top to like secure it. That didn't work again. It's like it was too weak, I think. I don't remember exactly what happened. Like I had to cut it again. So we were down 2 LEDs. Instead of 144, I'm down to 1, maybe 2. We had to change some of the code because this was like the 0, the starting value. Now it's gonna be like 2 or something like that.
Can we try playing it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, well.
Thumb us up. Double check. Does it get faster over time?
Yeah, definitely. Just wait. And also, I'm pretty sure it gets faster if someone loses too, right?
Yeah. Double check.
Ooh.
Or not, don't mess up.
I'm trying to figure out the best way to hold those.
Like this.
I know.